genuinely I hope so answer me properly. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You don't know it's the girl Rosh Wavy, and if you're new here, I'm a Jamaican YouTuber and I create lifestyle vlogs, everyday things, and just informative videos on YouTube. Jamaican based, of course. So if you want to see more of my content, then continue to watch this video, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys how it is that I get paid on YouTube and how it is that you as a Jamaican can get paid on YouTube. So keep watching. Okay guys, so I made some notes here because I didn't want to forget anything, but I've been a YouTuber, just some background before I actually get into how it is that you can make money. I've been a YouTuber for I think over 2 years, over 3 years, and I recently just got my first paycheck from YouTube. It goes to show that you have to do a lot of work to get paid, but I mean, workload depends on you and how it is that you value your channel and how much work you're putting in. So the first step that you want to do in order to make money from YouTube is to, of course, have a YouTube channel. And without a YouTube channel, you can't make money because first you need to start posting content. And when you're posting content, you want to ensure that you're staying consistent. Consistency is key. So once YouTube realizes that you're posting every day, you're posting every week, you're posting often, then they will start pushing your videos so that more persons can watch your videos. And that is what you want to do so that you can make some good money off your videos. The second thing that you need to do is to ensure that you have 4,000 watch time and 1,000 subscribers. I know it sounds like a lot, like the numbers sound heavy, but trust me, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So what this means is that you have to get 1,000 persons to subscribe to your YouTube channel, and then you also have to ensure that those 1,000 persons, or even people outside of the 1,000 people, watch your videos, and you need those watch time need to accumulate up to 4,000. So after you get that, then you're able to monetize your channel. And what that means is that simply you can start making money from your YouTube channel. The third thing is that you have to create a Google AdSense account. Google AdSense is basically the middle guy between YouTube, you, and your money. Let's say for example, you work, right? And this is your workplace, this is your bank account, and this is you. And you tell your workplace that you want to get paid to your bank account. So Google AdSense would then be your bank account. That's basically it. So Google AdSense is where you can go on to see how much money you've made thus far off your YouTube channel, the last payment that you've received, how it is that you set up your banking info and payment method, all of those good stuff. So that's really what Google AdSense is. So once it is that you've gotten the 4,000 watch time and the 1,000 subscribers, then you can go ahead and sign up for Google AdSense. It's really easy. All you need to do is go on your web browser and type in www.googleadsense.com, and you should be able to sign up. It's really simple, and just trust the process. Self-explanatory. Once you've done that, you would then need to link your Google AdSense to your YouTube account, and I can talk about that in the next video, but it's really not complicated because once you go on it, like I said, it's self-explanatory. So it will show you how it is that you can link them and give you instructions and guide you accordingly. The next thing that you need to know is that there is a threshold. Am I saying that right? Threshold. Listen, there's a maximum amount of money that you have to get before YouTube is going to pay you. And that maximum amount for Jamaicans at least is $100 US. And this varies for different countries. So probably if you're somewhere else, it might be a different budget or threshold for you. But in Jamaica, what I know is that you have to reach $100 US in order to get that money. If you don't get $100 US, YouTube is not going to pay you. YouTube pays on the 21st of every month. So on the 21st of every month, you are guaranteed to get paid once it is that you've gotten $100 US or more. So let's say, for example, for the month of April, you got $99.99. Well, you're not going to get that money for April if the 21st comes and pass. You're not going to get that money until the following month, and hopefully by then you would have gotten the dollar to make it up to $100, right? So you have to ensure that each month your revenue is exceeding $100 or $100 flat. So the next thing that you need to know is also your payment method. Now AdSense is really where you see all of this information and where you can put in this data. Now your payment method is up to you. So they have several payment methods that you can go through. One is Western Union, the other is wire transfer, the other is check. Personally for me, I do a wire transfer, and that means that they send my pay directly to my bank account, and that just works out easier for me because me really actually can't bother with the hassle and the tussle. So I just like when it comes to my account and I can pull it up on my phone and say, oh yeah, I get paid. So the reason why I did not go with a check is because if you're thinking about it logically, we're in Jamaica and this money is coming from the US. So for them to send a check to you, it would have to go through the post office or all that, and then in transit, anything can happen to that check. That check can get lost, that check can get stolen, misplaced, anything can happen, and it's going to be delayed for so long, because we know when you're getting a mail from overseas to Jamaica, it takes some time. So to be on the safer side, I think the best thing to do is to just use wire transfer, but then again, it's whatever works for you. You also have Western Union, and you can just say, hey, I want to use Western Union, go to whatever Western Union is near to you and pick up your money. Of course, YouTube would send you the tracking number once it is that they send off the money. I don't really trust that, and let me not say I don't trust it, but I just feel like wire transfer is a safer option, just because let's say, for example, you start doing YouTube and you're doing really well at it, and then YouTube starts paying you and you start accumulating a good sum of money, right? You keep going to the Western Union each month. You might be recognized or targeted by somebody because they see you going to the Western Union every month, and they're like, the girl or the boy that make money or they might get money. So so that's just my thought. I don't know, that's just my thought process, but to each is their own. So you have those three options that you can definitely choose from. The final thing is how, guys, I'm so sorry, that's my diffuser. Final thing though is how it is that YouTube determines how much you get paid. What are the criterias? So YouTube has this thing called the CPM, and that's the cost per mil, and mil is really 1,000, so it's the cost per 1,000 views, right? So they do it off that. So you get paid per 1,000 views, and not necessarily just per 1,000 views, but that's really what says how much money you get, right? For me, I'm gonna tell you guys about my first paycheck and how much I got for my first paycheck. My first paycheck on YouTube, I got a little over $100. So I think it was $120 or $150 thereabouts, if I'm remembering correctly. I do know that when it got into my account, it was about 25,000 Jamaican dollars, and that was a month. That was the first month I got paid from YouTube. I wasn't consistent. I had posted like 2 videos within the month, and you guys watched it, and I'm so grateful. And that's the amount of money I got for my first YouTube paycheck. Now, if you're more consistent, and of course you can expect to get more money once it is that you're getting views. And don't too focus on the views, just focus more so on putting out good content and content that you're comfortable with, and just making sure that you keep your audience engaged and you are engaging with your audience as well. I'm hoping that this video would have been helpful to somebody. I hope you guys learned something, and if there's any questions that you guys have, in terms of making money on YouTube, you can definitely ask me and I'll respond to you guys in the comment section, or if you guys hit me up on Instagram or TikTok, I will be there to answer your questions. So until next time, stay safe and go and big up yourself. I'm your girl Rush. Mwah.